Very good. Hi guys, how are you doing? And hope everything is okay. So today, especially, we are going to make a tutorial and experience in the very short and detailed way of how the command prompt is work and how all the functions are important. And for you beginners, you need to know. I mean, it's very useful and extremely useful. I mean, you always try to do the command because the way this will help you how to speed up your programming skill and experience. And if you want to open a file and upload any document, or especially in the gate, the version source control, it works only with command prompt. Okay, and so when you start to learn the program, you will learn more about command prompt. So now we just want to practice about the last week's lesson and what was the internet and how it work. And I think now you pretty much familiar with everything and the process. But also, before we dive into the technology ocean, we need to understand and make sure that we practice a lot and to give everything. Okay, let's start. Last time I say you come here to press the window key, Control R, window R, and it shows you command prompt. Okay, this is the one way. We can click OK like this, and it's pop up here, command prompt. Okay, just close it. And another way also, I'll show you here. Just come to the start menu, CMD. You see command prompt, right click on it, run administration. Let's open new. Yes. Okay, it's automatically show up. The first thing you need to do is that IP config. Yeah, let's maximize the video. You can see here, alright, you can see you have got the internet adapter and the connection specific, the DNS suffix, and the wireless adapter local area connection 1. Alright, so now you have all this information about the adapter and the local area 2, and the media state, connection specific to DNS suffix, disconnected. Okay, all these are the information about your and this is here the most important thing. You see the link of the local IPv6 address. Okay, and here IPv4 address. This is your IP address. Okay, this is 255.255.255.0. this is the subnet. Okay, and down here you can see the default gateway. Okay, this is your default gateway, how your message is communicate with other computers through the default gateway. Default gateway is distribute the message until it will get answer to the user. Okay, and there is a loss process you need to here also can see the adapter, Bluetooth, network connection, all this. All right. Okay, we're also learning. If you come here, IP config. Okay, and just space, you can say all question mark, and shows you all. Right, let's click on it here, and you can read here, renew adapter, flash, or all this information are here. Okay, you see these are the options of the commands. If you want to run the command, all are written here for you. You see, like we did it before, IP config / all, and IP config release, IP config release 6, IP config renew, IP config renew 6, all this. You understand? It is a lot, all the information. You see, the default is to display only the IP address, sub mask, subnet max default gateway for each adapter born to TCP/IP. Okay. For release and renew, if no adapter name is specific, then the IP address lists for all adapter bounds to TCP and will be released or renewed. Okay, this is if you want to renew your IP address or Hyper-V or TCP, whatever, you should run these commands. Okay. And the second thing also we're learning about route. Okay, route. This is the route here. Let's say just click route. Okay, this is the route here. Print, just match it. Route, and this is the IP address submax. Okay, you have method here. Destination, gateway method, and this is how the message goes through this one. If you say route print, it will print all for you. You can see here, print all the IP connection and interface and the route, how the route is. You know the route of the internet, yeah, the all route is here. All this is the IP address, yeah, subnet, submax. And now if this is how your computer is listening to other computers. You see on link, this is it means this gateway is listening to this IP, and every IP is a specific address. It's different. Okay, so it means the default gateway to contribute start from 0, because the computer, the array is always just start counting from 0, then after 1. Okay. Alright, you see here, so it's perfectly working. If the matter network destination gateway is alright, so that's cool. Okay, the third thing we need to do, the ping. Okay, it shows you this way also. And count, this is count A, count size F, time out RS, and this is a process with the millisecond minimum, and the matter procedures of the internet system. This is used to print. When it's print, it's run this way. Right, and I give you all, display all the result. Count host, this key, Hyper-V for only, and you can see the Hyper-V for all the everywhere is written. Alright, the third thing also we can say ping. Okay, slash google.com ping google.com, enter. Easy. So ping google.com. This is the process. It goes to the Google headquarters, and these are the numbers. This is the number. This is the IP address of the Google. Print the statistic for this 72.217.168.206. This is the packet which is received, and it shows you here packet sends is 4, receive it 4, loss 0, almost loss 0%. Okay, and this is approximate around 3 times in milliseconds. Okay, minimum equals 75 millisecond, maximums equals 79 milliseconds, average altogether is 76 milliseconds. This is pings to google.com. Great. Alright, the last thing we are going to about how to change the color of the background of the command. It's a color, yes, color, then help. You can say help first, help, slash color, enter. Does it help without nothing? Okay, this is the help. It's clear the help for us if you want to shut down or replace or rename or run or recover or push or prompt print, whatever, push, pop. This gives all the result. Okay, is help. Alright, let's say color 0 2 0 2, enter. Great, excellent. Again, color 0 3, and then say color 0 4, and then say color 0 5. So it's a color, we always changing the color. 0 6, color 0 9. You can play any colors you want. Now you understand the channel process. At least you get the basic idea. Okay. Alright. So hope you enjoy, and finally don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and thank you for listening.